Ready to slash your ride costs and unlock some serious savings with Lyft, Boost, and Cash App? Let's get you rolling. First things first, you'll need to link your Lyft account to your Cash App. Open your Cash App. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and scroll down until you see the Boost section. You should see an option to connect your Lyft account. Tap on that and follow the prompts to securely link them. Now, let's talk about what a Lyft Boost actually is. Think of it as a special discount or perk that Cash App offers, which can be applied to your Lyft rides. These boosts can vary from a certain percentage off your ride to even a fixed dollar amount. The key thing to remember is that these are often promotional and may have limited availability. To actually use your Lyft Boost, it usually happens automatically when you're eligible and your Cash App is properly linked before you book your ride in the Lyft app. Make sure your Cash App is set as your payment method then, as you go to confirm your ride. Look for a notification or an endorsement on the fare that shows your Lyft Boost is being applied. It's important to know that not all Lyft rides are eligible for the Boost. Typically, these promotions focus on standard Lyft rides or specific service tiers. So, before you book, especially if you're eyeing a Lyft XL or a premium service, double-check the terms of your specific Boost to ensure it will apply. Want to maximize your savings? Keep an eye out for special Cash App promotions that might offer multiple Lyft Boosts or even allow you to combine them for even greater discounts. By strategically using your Cash App and staying updated on their offers, you can significantly reduce your daily transportation expenses and enjoy more affordable rides. So there you have it. Linking your Lyft to Cash App for boosts is a straightforward way to cut down on your travel costs. Happy riding! And don't forget to check Cash App regularly for your next big Lyft saving.